the whole ship over here, baby. Now check this ship out, though. This ship crazy. They got like a hole, bro. I wonder what ship this is. Yo. 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 We found a pirate sword. Oh, shit. Chat, should we go in there? Yo, I found the pirate sword. It's probably Blackbeard's sword. Chat, should we go in there? Wait, I should take this, though. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put the pirate sword back. It's probably pressing it or something. Nah. It ain't even nothing in there. I ain't gonna lie.